Hello YouTube enthusiasts. Ever pondered how your favorite creators cash in on this platform? Well, you've landed in just the right place. Today, we're on a mission to demystify the intriguing world of YouTube revenue. We'll explore how those entertaining and educational videos you love so much turn into a source of income for creators. From ad revenue to merchandise sales, we're leaving no stone unturned. So buckle up as we dive deep into the fascinating world of YouTube revenue. Primarily, creators earn bucks from something we all love to skip: advertisements. Now you might be wondering, how does this ad business work? Well, let's break it down. Every time you watch a video, YouTube strategically places ads to capture viewer attention. The revenue generated from these ads is then shared between YouTube and the video's creator. This is a significant part of how creators earn their living on the platform. But what determines how much a creator earns from the ads? That's where the concept of CPM, or cost per mille, comes into play. CPM refers to the amount an advertiser pays for 1,000 views of its ad, so higher the CPM, higher the earnings for the creator. However, the CPM isn't a constant figure. It can fluctuate based on several factors. Viewer location, for instance, plays a big role. Advertisers are often willing to pay more for viewers in certain countries, making CPM higher in those regions. Another crucial factor is viewer engagement. This includes actions such as clicking on the ad, watching it fully, or interacting with it in some way. More engaged viewers lead to more ad revenue for the creator. So the next time you find yourself grumbling about an ad interrupting your favorite video, remember this: those ads you thought were annoying are actually a significant source of income for creators. Next up, let's talk about the YouTube Partner Program, a golden ticket to monetization features. This program is the gateway to making money on YouTube, but there are some eligibility criteria to meet. Firstly, your channel needs to clock in at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. This means your content should be engaging enough to hook viewers for a considerable amount of time. Secondly, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. This ensures that there's a solid audience base to monetize. Now, why hustle for these numbers? Here's why. Once you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you gain access to various monetization features. You can make money from ads on your videos, channel memberships, or even the sale of merchandise. It's like opening a treasure chest of opportunities for creators. With YPP, creators unlock a whole new avenue of revenue generation. Once in the YouTube Partner Program, creators can monetize their content in a variety of ways. One of the most common ways is through ads. Ad formats on YouTube come in different shapes and sizes, from skippable and non-skippable ads to display ads that appear beside your video. YouTube's algorithm determines where and when these ads show up, and the revenue generated is shared with the creator. Beyond ads, Super Chats and channel memberships offer an additional revenue stream. Super Chats allow viewers to pay to have their comments highlighted during a live chat. It's a fantastic way for fans to support their favorite creators and for creators to engage with their community. Channel memberships, on the other hand, offer fans exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and access to members-only videos for a monthly fee. This feature creates a unique bond between creators and their most loyal fans, while also providing a steady income. Last but not least, there's the YouTube Premium Revenue Pool. This is a shared pot of money that comes from YouTube Premium subscribers. These subscribers pay a monthly fee for an ad-free YouTube experience, and part of that fee goes into the pool. The more watch time a creator gets from premium subscribers, the larger the slice of the pool they receive. These features allow creators to diversify their income and earn more from their content. Creators can also sell their own merchandise right from YouTube's platform, thanks to the merchandise shelf. This feature is a game changer as it integrates seamlessly with merch providers like Teespring, allowing creators to design and market their own products. Picture this: you've just watched an inspiring video from your favorite creator, and there, beneath the video, you spot a merchandise shelf showcasing their exclusive line of t-shirts or mugs. You're not just buying a product, you're buying a piece of that creator's world. But it's not just about selling any merchandise. The key here is to offer unique and quality items that truly resonate with your audience. Whether it's a catchphrase from your channel printed on a hoodie or a custom illustration on a poster, your merchandise should be a reflection of your brand and something your viewers would be proud to own. Merchandise Shelf gives creators an opportunity to connect with their audience in a unique way. Another lucrative revenue stream for creators is sponsored content and brand deals. This involves creators partnering with brands to promote their products or services within their content. It's a win-win situation. The brand gets exposure to the creator's audience, and the creator gets compensated for their promotional efforts. But how do creators secure these brand deals? It often begins with a negotiation process. Creators may reach out to brands they love, or brands may approach creators whose audience aligns with their target market. The key is to establish a mutual benefit, where both parties stand to gain from the collaboration. However, it's crucial to maintain authenticity and transparency when creating sponsored content. Creators need to ensure that the brand aligns with their values and content style. Honesty is also paramount. Viewers appreciate when creators are upfront about brand collaborations. Sponsored content, when done right, can be a significant income source. Finally, let's talk about the role of audience engagement and analytics. When it comes to YouTube revenue, these two factors are as essential as the content itself. The secret sauce, so to speak. Here's why. Higher audience engagement, that's likes, comments, shares, and longer watch times, directly impacts your revenue. When viewers stick around for more of your video, YouTube's algorithm takes note and is more likely to recommend your content to others. The more people see and interact with your content, the more ad revenue you can potentially earn. But how do you know what your audience loves? That's where YouTube Analytics comes in. This powerful tool gives you insight into who's watching and what they're watching. You can see which videos get the most views, where your viewers are from, even what time they usually watch. By understanding these patterns, you can tailor your content to better suit your audience's preferences, ultimately maximizing your revenue. Understanding your audience and their preferences is key to maximizing YouTube revenue. So, that's a wrap on the intriguing world of YouTube revenue. We've traversed the landscape of ad revenue, the YouTube Partner Program, monetization features, merchandising, sponsored content, and the power of analytics and engagement. It's a complex but rewarding journey for creators. And how can you play a part? Simply by engaging with their content. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this. And remember, every like, share, and comment supports your favorite creators.